Hello and welcome to InsuranceAsia News. I'm Kristina Shprelik, Senior Reporter, and I have with me today Neelay Patel, Managing Director and Head of Growth Asia at Aon. Welcome, Neelay.
Thank you for having me today.
Today we will talk about insurance broking market in Asia. And Neelay, I would like to start our conversation with some of the emerging trends that are impacting the broader insurance market as well as brokers.
Okay, so I'd say that the Aon Client Trend Report is a great place to start to understand some of the emerging trends that are taking place in this part of the world. And in that, you'll see that there's some significant transactions, or mega trends as we call them, that are driving increased volatility and complexity for our clients, but also an opportunity to protect and grow. Now, these trends are largely similar across regions, and they're actually all very much interconnected. Think of trade, technology, weather, and workforce. So our clients across various industries are telling us a very similar story, and that's that it's becoming increasingly difficult to make the right decision amidst the volatility and complexity created by these megatrends.
How is the insurance broking business evolving in Asia in the face of emerging risks and increasing volatility?
Sure, so I'd say firstly that the technology and proliferation of data means that brokers are really leveraging advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to better assess risk and provide much more client-centric solutions. So the digital transformation really enables brokers to predict and manage risk much more effectively and really offers more precise and personalized insights, something that clients are really craving for. And additionally, when you think about cyber threats, climate change, and the global health crisis, these are redefining the risk landscape to a point that we've never seen before. Now, brokers are required to develop specialized solutions in these areas to meet the growing demand for comprehensive client solutions. And I'll say there's also a bit of a shift towards more collaborative and consultative relationships with clients, where brokers are acting much more as strategic advisors rather than just intermediaries. Now, another thing to consider, especially in this part of the world, is regulatory changes and geopolitical events, which really adds a layer of complexity to the market, requiring brokers to stay much more agile and adaptable. And of course, the evolution of the insurance broking business, therefore, I'd say is characterized by integrating technological innovations, data analytics, specialized risk management, and a much more consultative and united approach to client relationships.
What are the main challenges Aon is facing in the competitive regional landscape? And how does your 3x3 plan help you respond to some of these challenges?
So firstly, I'm glad you've raised the 3x3 plan. So companies in the region grapple with weather risks, technology and AI, and on top of that, changing workforce behaviors and shifting expectations. Now, Aon's 3x3 strategy offers clients a single point of contact for diverse solutions, combining global capabilities with local expertise. Now, the initiative itself includes a $900 million investment in a 15,000 employee business unit that serves both an integrated back office as well as an analytics hub, setting a new benchmark for innovation and client service. So what we've done is we've utilized our extensive data in the insurance and reinsurance business to create tools that companies can then use to analyze exposure, quantify loss potential, and assist clients really in making informed decisions based on total cost of risk.
In the second year of your plan implementation, what are your growth projections for the remaining period, and what are some of the factors driving this growth?
Okay, let me share with you an example. So then in 2023, Aon launched a new climate innovation hub in Singapore, and that was supported by the Singapore Economic Development Board. And that was really to help clients navigate a key topic, and that's environmental risks. So this year, Aon strengthened this initiative with the APAC Climate Advisory Group. That's a team of multidisciplinary climate scientists, natural cat modelers, and strategy consultants to bring Aon's new global climate analytics tool, Climate Risk Monitor, to regional clients. That's one thing. And then when you think about regional growth front, so we recently completed the acquisition of global insurance brokers in India, a really exciting milestone for the firm and our journey in India. And I think it really reflects our commitment to the Indian market. So we also recently signed a definitive agreement to acquire the in-house insurance agency of Mitsubishi Chemical Group in Japan. And that really further enhances our risk and health capability offering in the region, as well as providing our colleagues with a platform to grow.
Thank you, Neelay, for sharing your insights with us today.
Thank you, an absolute pleasure to be with you today as well.